Let me tell you something most people never figure out. Your life, right now, is not being driven by your conscious choices. Not your goals, not your motivation, not even the new me you promised yourself last Monday. Your life is being controlled, quietly, by your subconscious mind. The part of you that thinks fast, remembers everything, and never turns off, even when you pretend you're okay. And here's the twist. Your subconscious mind believes whatever you consistently tell it. Even the lies, even the jokes, even the "I'm so unlucky" comment you dropped casually at 2 a.m. So today, I'm going to show you how to make your subconscious mind positive, not with wishful thinking, but with psychology-based habits that literally rewire your internal operating system. Let's begin. Your subconscious is always eavesdropping. Before we fix the subconscious, you must understand its biggest secret. It never stops recording. Every word you think, every emotion you repeat, every story you tell yourself gets saved like a voice note you didn't mean to send. And the subconscious responds with, "Oh, you said you're unlucky. Cool. Let me filter out all the opportunities you could have had. Oh, you think you're not good enough? Hold on. Let me sabotage your confidence a little to keep things consistent." It doesn't judge. It just obeys. This is why making your subconscious positive is not optional. It's survival. Habit 1. The 3-second pattern break. Whenever a negative thought enters your mind, and trust me, it will, you have 3 seconds before it becomes a subconscious instruction. You know the thought I'm talking about. Nothing ever works for me. People like me can't succeed. I always mess things up. And my personal favorite, I'll start tomorrow. Here's what you do. Interrupt it immediately. Say out loud, or in your mind if people are around, cancel, replace. Your subconscious responds to pattern interruptions. Do this consistently, and the mind that used to attack you will start defending you. Habit 2. Speak to yourself like you'd speak to someone you love. If you spoke to other people the way you speak to yourself, you'd get blocked. Self-talk is the #1 direct line into the subconscious. So here's the rule. Talk to yourself as if someone important is listening, because someone is. Talk like the version of you you're trying to become. Be firm but kind. Encouraging, not delusional. Supportive, not sarcastic. Because every time you repeat a harsh sentence about yourself, your subconscious writes it down like a loyal assistant. Okay, noted. This is who we are. Change the tone, change the identity, change the life. Habit 4. Rewrite the stories you repeat. Every negative belief you have right now was once a story someone told you, or a story you repeated so often it became your truth. You're too slow. You're not smart enough. You're not the chosen one. You don't fit in. These are not facts. They're old files. And like outdated software, they are slowing down your entire system. You rewrite them by asking one powerful question. Who says so? Because if you can question the belief, you can break the belief. And once you break it, your subconscious becomes available for an upgrade. Habit 5. Visualize with emotion, not just images. Most people visualize like they're watching a boring movie. No emotion, no energy, no involvement. But the subconscious responds to feeling, not pictures. When you visualize something, feel it in your chest. Taste the confidence. Imagine the relief. Experience the success as if it's happening right now. Your subconscious can't tell imagination from reality, so it will start building the version of you that matches the feeling you keep repeating. Your subconscious is running about 95% of your life. Make it positive, and your actions change. Your confidence changes. Your identity changes. Your life changes. Because the moment your subconscious stops working against you, nothing in the world can stop you. If you're ready to build a mind designed for growth, peace, discipline, and power, then don't forget to click the subscribe button, because we're here to help you reprogram your life from the inside out. Keep watching MINDSHIFT Foundation.